Dive into the world of Redbor Kale, a regal and nutrient-packed member of the cabbage family that's as stunning as it is nutritious. This ornamental edible is celebrated for its deep red hues and impressive health benefits, making it a must-have for gardeners seeking both beauty and functionality in their gardens. Kale in general has a rich history rooted in the Mediterranean. Redbor kale, a variety of ornamental kale, is a result of selective breeding to enhance its visual appeal. Its ancestors, wild cabbages, were first domesticated in this region, and over time various cultivars, including Redbor, emerged. Redbor kale stands out with its deeply curled, frilly leaves that showcase a brilliant spectrum of red and purple tones. In the garden, it forms a dense rosette, creating a visual spectacle. As temperatures drop, the colors intensify, making it a striking feature in fall and winter landscapes. Thriving in full sun or partial shade, Redbor kale prefers well-draining soil. It's a cold-tolerant plant, making it an excellent choice for fall and winter gardens. Regular watering and occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer contribute to its robust growth and vibrant coloration. Redbor kale's vibrant colors make it an excellent companion in garden beds or containers. Its tall stature can provide shade for short plants, while its cold tolerance allows it to coexist harmoniously with other cool season favorites. Consider pairing it with pansies or other ornamental grasses for a visually dynamic garden. While Redbor kale adds a pop of color to your garden, it's also a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its leaves are not only visually appealing but also contribute to a healthy diet. Use it in salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes to enjoy its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Redbor kale is a nutritional superstar, offering a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like calcium and iron. Its antioxidant properties contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating Redbor kale in your diet can support immune function and bone health. In conclusion, Redbor kale is more than just a decorative plant. It's a versatile and nutrient-packed addition to your garden. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants.